Hello everyone, you're welcome to Healthy Options with Maureen. Today we have something very special for you, and that will be introduced by a special guest. Can you come on up please? So can you introduce yourself and let us know what you're making?
I'm Christine Wanko, Maureen Wanko's daughter, and we will be making banana chocolate chunk muffins.
Yeah, we're making some banana chocolate chunk muffins. We made it and if some friends requested for the recipe, and I was like, since you made it, you should make it for the video. And here we are. The good thing about these muffins is that you can actually use whole wheat flour throughout the recipe. We use some oat flour, but if you don't have that, that's no problem at all. Your whole wheat flour will work just fine. It's also great because you don't need a whole bunch of sweeteners. We use just a little bit of honey. I also want to use this medium to appreciate all of my subscribers. I really want to thank you. Thank you for bringing me this far. Thank you for the comments. Thank you for the fact that you keep watching my videos, that you keep coming back. Thank you for the likes. I actually struck above 400 subscribers and it's a big deal for me. And I want to say a huge thank you. God bless you all. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe to this channel. I assure you will get healthy recipes all the time to enjoy.
Come on with us as we make this. Thank you. So before we start making our banana chocolate chunk muffins, you will preheat your oven to 175 degrees Celsius. So for our banana chocolate chunk muffins, we'll be needing whole wheat flour, oat flour, milk, vegetable oil, cinnamon, salt, baking soda, mashed bananas, vanilla extract, lemon juice, honey, eggs, and of course our chocolate. So your chocolate needs to be at least 60% cocoa. This is 64%. Anything 60% of cocoa and up will work fine. So first we'll be chopping our chocolates into chunks. So we started chopping our chocolate into chunks. And here, this is how you do it. You just apply some pressure. This takes some time, but it's worth it. It's best when you give this some time outside the fridge, so it's soft and easy to chop. So I just finished chopping up our chocolate. Now we'll be putting together our dry ingredients. So the oat flour goes in. So I just combined the two flours, the whole wheat flour and the oat flour. So now I will be adding in our baking soda, some salt, last but not the least, some cinnamon. Then we will be mixing this together. So set this aside and we'll start with the wet ingredients. First of all, we'll whisk our eggs together. So add in some mashed banana. Mix this together. Now we'll add in some milk. Some oil goes in, the honey. Some lemon juice goes in, and some vanilla extract. So whisk to combine. And now we'll start combining our dry and wet ingredients together. Now we'll be combining the wet and dry ingredients together. Give this a whisk. So I just got rid of my whisk and I'll be using a wooden spoon. So just give it a good mix. Make sure it's well combined. So now we'll be adding in our chocolate chunks. And we just stir together. So we just mix it in until it's well combined. And now comes the fun part. Time to scoop in the batter with ice cream scoop if you have one. I use an ice cream scoop so that I can get equal portions. Make sure every muffin cup has enough chocolate so that everyone gets chocolate in it. There. So now we're done filling in all the cupcake tins and we'll be shoving them into the oven. So now we'll be putting this into our 175 degrees Celsius oven. And then I'll come back and show you once it's done baking. So we just got our muffins out of the oven and we'll be placing them on a cooling rack. So you can see what it looks like. The chocolate is all melted and gooey. So I'm going to cut into it. You can see what it looks like inside. And now I'm going to taste. So chocolatey and gooey. It tastes so good. The chocolate gives some sweetness and a bit of bitterness because of the cocoa. I think you should really try this. And please do subscribe to my mom's channel. She taught me how to make this. Well done, healthy options in tomorrow. Thank you.